jobs and automation.
Mhm.
So we're talking a lot about automation in space. Of course, this is a completely, not completely new, but it's an emerging sector, right? So there's constantly new jobs being created. You touched on kind of the decentralization and the kind of democratization of the assets that can be built, transferred, transported, and then sent out. So you don't actually necessarily need to have an organization, a corporate, to build out these things and send them out anymore. How do you see your system that you're building with its very impressive automation capabilities impacting jobs in, say, the next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, no, great question. So, our company, among other, there are a couple of companies just like us that we know of that are active in software, space software. We're creating jobs, so we have quadrupled the size of our team in the next year or so. So you have, the sector, the software sector in space has been creating a lot of high-paying jobs or high skilled jobs, and in reality, the jobs that our solution is displacing is actually a kind of talent that we can leverage somewhere else to create a lot more value. Right. So if you have a highly educated, talented, aerospace engineer or astrodynamics engineer, they can be they can create a lot of value focusing on other parts of the space industry than avoiding collisions. So we believe that this is one of those, it's not necessarily we are, replacing low skill jobs. It's not like this sector, this technology is replacing jobs that are needed. We are actually eliminating the kind of task that is risky. It's being done in less efficient manner, and we're releasing the talent, we're basically opening time with talent that is very, very usable and more productive somewhere else.
That's great to hear. That's one of the trends that keeps coming up on the podcast as well, for specific technologies or businesses, right? It's that you're not automating a complete job, but you're automating those tasks within that job, exactly. Therefore freeing up that labor to do something that's more, higher skill needed, or you can use your brain a little bit more and contribute, as you said, towards the sector, towards the business at a higher capacity. That's great.